Okay, we're going to look at some examples of how we set up equations for mathematical modeling, how we take problems and try to turn them into equations. So this first one is about the area of a rectangle. So if we consider a rectangle with dimensions x and y, x for the width, y for the length. So we want to form this rectangular plot by using 800 feet of fencing on all four sides. So we have to cover all four sides of the area with this 800 feet of fencing. So that is our constraint. That means that is what we cannot go over. We cannot go over 800 feet of fencing. We have no more fencing. And based on that, we want to use this fencing to maximize or optimize our area. Optimize just means make the biggest, or make the smallest if you want to minimize. So if we know the perimeter of a rectangle, so all the distance around a rectangle is 2w plus 2l. So in this case, we have four sides. They are x and y. Instead of w and l, we use in general x and y. So the perimeter is going to be 2x plus 2y. 2 of the x's plus 2 of the y's. That is our perimeter. And in this case, the perimeter is fixed. The perimeter must be 800. Now, is it 1 and 1 on here, and then 399 here and 399 here? Maybe. Is it 2 and 398? Maybe. So it's all these different ones we have to consider, but they all have to add up to 800. That is our constraint. Now, we always will deal with two equations. One is a constraint, one is something that can't change, and one is something that can change. We sometimes call this the primary equation. So in this problem, we want to optimize the area of this rectangle. So we want to make the area the largest it can be based on this constraint. So if we want to write an equation for area based on x and y, we know area is length times width. So area is simply going to be x times y. So the area of this rectangle is xy, and the perimeter is 2x plus 2l must equal 800 because that's the fencing I have. Now in general, both these equations have two variables. We generally don't want to deal with two variable equations. We generally want to deal with one variable equations. So what we will do is we will solve for one of the equations and substitute it into the other. Since this is our primary equation, this is what we're going to try to optimize. We are going to take our first equation and solve for a variable. Doesn't matter which one, I'll solve for y in this case. So if we take 2x plus 2y, 2y equals 800 minus 2x, divide everything by 2, then y is going to equal 400 minus x, based on our constraint. Well, since we're trying to maximize the area, we'll just take this and we will plug it into our equation. So our function for area in terms of x, because we no longer have y, we just have x, is simply going to be x times 400 minus x. So this is a function for the area of this rectangle for different widths of x that gives its area. And so when we start doing the calculus on this, we will try to figure out which x is going to give us the highest number, the highest area. But for now, we're just trying to set up the equations.